Hey, 8th graders, before you're done for the week, you have one more thing that you need to do, and that's going to be to finish up your design notebook, the Intro to Design notebook. And I'm going to start grading these on Monday, so I want to give you one last chance to get this done. This will be the first grade that's entered in your grade book, and with parent conferences coming in less than 2 weeks, I want to give you a chance to make sure you're all caught up with that. So while you work on this, conversation level can be 2. You can talk with your classmates while doing this as long as you're getting your work done. Just keep the conversation at your table, not across the room. Help each other out. Your design notebook can be found in Schoology. Stay engaged while you work on it at your spot, or if you're with a different classmate. So what I have as being done here, this is my list that I updated on Thursday morning. So if you've done anything since then, it may not be updated. But take a look at where your name is, and whatever you have left for the design notebook, try to get as much of it completed before the end of class. If you don't finish by the end of class today and you're wanting to do it over the weekend, that would be awesome. Again, I will start grading these on Monday. And one last thing is, for the design notebook, just remember, move this over here, whichever one you're on, if you're not sure what needs to be done, just click on the task number, watch the instructional video that's linked in at the top, and that obviously can tell you what needs to be done for the task.